Students, today we will start exercise 15.2. 15.2 is based on the coordinate. What is the coordinate? Coordinate is a rough diagram. Suppose is the graph, okay, and this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the audience means 0 0 is a 1 2 3 is the value of x-axis, and here value of y-axis. Suppose a point here, if the point is x, a point of A, so you come and first will be run on the parallel to y-axis, and second you parallel to y-axis. So first will be run is 3 and second will run is 2. It means this is the coordinate of point A. First is a x coordinate and second is a y coordinate. Okay, this is the basic information. Now solve the exercise, you understand what is the coordinate and what is the showing. Now plot the following points on the graph sheet and verify that the leave on the line means they are come in the line or not line. Okay, so that you have draw the graph sheet. I will do it this type of graph sheet. Okay, and plotting the graph before you have draw a two axis. Okay, now first axis and second axis will here second. Okay, and you draw by the only pencil. I am only use the pen because I make a video. Is x, and this is the point of O, is the called the origin. Its reading is 0 0, is called the origin. Okay, and this is the y-axis, and the first is 1 after 1 1 blocks a square 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, and scale is very important. Scale is x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is 1 unit is equal to 1. This is the 1 block is a 1 unit, is 1 unit. In y-axis the 1 unit is a 1. Okay, now plot the graph. In first question is only one graph paper, you draw the 3 questions is ABC. In the questions ABC you draw, I will show now. First is a coordinate of A. Coordinate of first is a coordinate 4 and 0. 4 and 0 means 4 is a x and 0 is a y. So that you going on the axis is x is 4, go on the 4 is the 4, and y is a 0. It's mean they not go upside. First coordinate is here, you write A is 4 0. Okay, second is a 4 and 2. First will be 4 going and 2 is y-axis, 2 going on parallel to y-axis. The point is a B is a 4 comma 2. Third is a 4 and 6, means x variable is 4 and y is a 6. That they are going on x-axis and this is the y. The point of C is given 4 comma 6. Okay, next is a 4 and 2.5. So x value is 4 and 2.5 is between 2 and 3 midpoint. So this is the point of is D, 4 and 2.5, and join the all points. Okay, it's mean the answer of 1, it's mean A. Answer of A, what is the answer of A? The point in A live on a line, because this is the line. Now second, you draw in same graph paper but use the different color. I will use the pencil. Second will be solved. First coordinate is 1 1. 1 1 means the value of x and y 1. So first will be start to 0 and going to 1 and upside going to 1. This is the point of is P 1 1. Okay, second is 2 2. 2 2 means first you start to 0 1 2 and parallel to y axis you going on this is the point of 2 2 is 2 2, and name of the point is Q. Okay, third is a 3 3. 3 3 again you going 3 and this 3, the point join the point. Use this type you make dotted line. Okay, and last is a 4 4. They are now 4 4 already send the light. This is the point. If the point name is S is 4 4. Okay, and join the all points will 3. It is also make a line. Your answer is right, is B, that point in B live on a line. Okay, and next point is a, here will be write 2 and 3. L is a 5 3, M is 5 5, and N is a 2 and 5. Okay, that first is a 2 and 3. 2 and 3, x value 2 and 3, the point of this. Okay, 5 and 3 means value of x is 5 and y is a 3. So this is the point of here. You understand? Now I will draw another phase. Okay, first we will draw a 2 line segment. Okay, now point is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and that's the 0. We mark in the point. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 and 8, and this is the y. Okay, and axis scale is x axis, y axis this 1 unit, because 1 block will be used is equal to 1, that 1 unit is equal to 1. Okay, the 0 0 is origin, and point is given that 2 and 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3 means the value of 2. Okay, and 3, that's right, the 3 parallel, and here it will be 3. This is the point of K is 2 3. 2 is a x coordinate and 3 is a y coordinate. Second is for L. L is a first will be 5. So you going on 5 and 3, So you have right, and this is the point is L. L is a 5 and 3. Next is 5 5. Then here 5 5. Again your x value to increase, and y is a 5. Okay, now this is the point of M is 5 5. Okay, and 2 and N is again 2 and 5. This is the 2 and 5. Here 2 and 5. This is the N, and join the lines all points. Okay, so this is the rectangle shape, but it's mean that answer is C. C is a points will is point C do not live on a line. Okay, now it is complete. The second question is asked, draw a line passing thought of 2 and 3 and 3 and 2. Find the coordinate of the point and the which is the meet in x and y. It means you have draw the line segment by the coordinate 2 and 3, and 3 and 2 is the first coordinate, the first point, and second coordinate is the second point, and find the line segment draw after the line segment draw meet on the x and y axis. So you find the which point will be leave in the x and y. Okay, so now draw the again one graphs, use the okay, and all graphs will draw by the pencil, not use the pen. I will so many times ask all geometries and pens by the pencils. Okay, the points 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the x-axis. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7. This is the y-axis. Okay, and you are given a point. There the point is 2 and 3 and 3 and 2. This is the point of A and this is the point of B. And scale, that the scale is x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is 1 unit is equal to 1, then y-axis 1 unit is equal to 1. Now draw the scale. Draw the graph is the point of this. First is a 2 and 3, means the value of x is 2 and y is a 3. So this is the point of x is on the 2 and y is a 3. So join this point by the dotted line using this ruler. Okay, the point is here. Is write 2 and 3 in round. Okay, clear? And second is 2 and first will be 3. Here will be 3 and 2. So you going on parallel to y-axis. Point distance is 2 and 3 and 2. They joined. Okay, and join the two lines, 2 points. Okay, they point and they point, and draw the line segment. Okay, and question ask which is the cut on the x-axis and y-axis. So your answer is this. The point is first will be write 5 and y value is 0, and here is a y value is 5 and x value is 0, that is the 0 5. So you write the answer is the line will cut x-axis at point 5 and 0 and y-axis at 0, 5, 0 and 5. So this is the answer. Okay. Now next question is question number, write the coordinate of vertices each of the adjusting figure. Here will be given the figure and you write the name of A, B, C, D, O, P, Q, R, S, L, M, N to write the coordinate of given names. Okay, the answer is write the names now here and write there. Okay, now here we will write point A. So first is O, A, B, C. First will be X and second is a Y. Second is a P, Q, R, S. And third is a L, M, N. Okay, now start. First will be O. O is a starting to 0, 0 because not run on the x-axis and not run on the y-axis. A is a run on the only x-axis, not run upside. This the point is first is 2, 0. Second is B. B where is you cover the distance of B. So first will be go on the x-axis will 2 and parallel to y-axis to B. So this is the coordinate of 2 and 3. Next C. C is you directly going on the y-axis, not go is direction of x-axis. The point is 0 and 3. Here P. Where is the P? Here P. P reach on this point. First will be going on the x-axis and the 4 place. Okay, this 4 place. So that's right, the 4. And y-axis going to parallel to how many? 1, 2, 3. They come here. Suppose you have start 4 and 3 and going on the joint of point of P. So there the coordinate 4 and 3. Next Q. Q here again you going point of Q, they run on the x-axis 6 and y-axis only 1. So the coordinate of 6 and 1. Next is R. R is parallel to 5 and 6. The start 5 and 6 will touch on the point of R. It means the value of x is a 6. Coordinate of x 6 and coordinate of y is a 5. Next is a S. S here. Now start to 2.4 and 7 and run on the x-axis, y-axis parallel to y-axis and parallel to x-axis. This is the point of S. It means coordinate of x is 4 and y is a 7. Next LM. First is L. Here is the L. L will be down is 7 is x and vertically horizontally you are 7. That's 7 7 coordinate. K. K is a horizontally you see y-axis in the 5 and vertically you see that is the point of 10. And next is M. M is a you show the vertically down is a value of 10 and horizontally you show on going on y-axis that the 8. So this is the answer of the given coordinates. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is a true and false. Now state whether the true and false, the correct answer is false or that are false. A point is whose as coordinate is 0, the y-axis is not 0 will leave on the y-axis. It means suppose the coordinate of x is 0 and y value is not 0. Suppose this example 0 5 and 0 5, where is the 0 5? 0 5 0 and 5 to leave on the y axis. Leave on the y axis. It means it is a right yet true. Second is a point whose y is 0. Y is 0 and x is 5. Leave on the y axis. Check. X 5 and y is 0. It is leave on the x axis, not a y. It means this is false. Third is the coordinate of origin is 0 0. It is true. Origin is which point of the origin? The graph will be start the 0 0. It is called the origin.